Oh, hi. I'm embarrassed to say it's Sunday. Sunday afternoon, after the time change. This weekend was completely unfilmable because we were doing something with Kristen all weekend, except for today. Well, we are doing something with her today as well. We're having Maddie's husband's birthday today. It's Sean G's birthday party, and he requested a pizza party. So his favorite dessert is brownie. So I have to make a brownie. They're gonna be here in an hour and a half. I'm trying to look which clock is right. I think it's 12:30 right now. I have to make a brownie. I was gonna make a tiny vegan lasagna. He wanted some pesto pizza because he absolutely is obsessed with pesto. And we're gonna have a good day. We spent all weekend with them, and now we're gonna spend today with them as well. I'm exhausted. I need to take a shower badly. I'm trying to do some laundry. You can hear the dishes in the background that's going. Sean is shaving. Mark ran out to the supermarket because we didn't get to go shopping yesterday because we were busy with Kristen all day. So it's a long day. It's a long weekend. It was a long day yesterday. Hopefully things will get back to normal tomorrow, and Maddie and I can really buckle down and organize our inventory for the crochet business, and we can just start living again, because it's been pretty crazy lately. I have to say, it's been pretty crazy. What do you think, little sir? You were so good all weekend. I cleaned up my yarn for now. It's still over here though. What can I say? It's a lot.
I want to eat flowers.
Ouch. Oh, this has to go too. All right, never mind. I gotta get rid of that too. Then I have to make the brownie. So join me back in the kitchen in a little bit. All right, phase 1 complete. Brownie's ready to go in the oven. I was planning on showing you guys more of it, but I just got so in the groove that I forgot to pick up the camera. But that's gonna bake for a little bit. Hopefully Mark will be home soon so I could take a quick shower. And then I gotta start on the pizza and the, I guess it's gonna be baked ziti.
It is not Christmas.
Because I don't have any lasagna noodles. So, but the ricotta is gonna be tofu ricotta.
It is not Christmas.
What's going on over here?
Spot don't it. It is not Christmas.
Okay, it's not Christmas, Sean. Of course it's not. He looks like he could use a water. I'll tell you this, I didn't drink enough water yesterday, and my back was hurting. There you go.
Let me go, you don't realize what you're doing.
Excuse me, why are you yelling? Calm down, are we gonna have a nice party today?
No, yes.
Okay, alright, relax.
Mike Wazowski's apartment, the power was out.
Oh, the power went out at Mike Wazowski's apartment? Too bad for him. I have no idea. Oh, it's a pizza party. We got that. We have, oh, I see you taking samples in here. We got the pesto. We got the, what's that called? Artichoke. We got brownie. Enjoy, cats.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Look who just showed up with a whole bunch of alligators.
Hi.
Oh, it's Monday.
Yes. Back to the grind. Back to the grind, Bubby. You already went for your walk this morning.
Twice.
Yes.
And I already went upstairs and started getting the craft room organized. Organized.
That's exciting. Lammy.
Yeah.
We've got a lot to do today.
Tired though. Super tired. We didn't show a lot of your husband's birthday, but it was a lot of fun.
It was a good time. We played What We Do in the Shadows Clue.
You beat him.
I did win. Shout out to Dominic Capello, because I didn't even know that there was a What We Do in the Shadows game until I saw it on his Instagram.
Nice.
So,
thanks, Dominic.
yes.
You and Kristen wore the same shirt.
We did. Which I'm still wearing right now, because I usually, if I'm wearing a sweatshirt, I just sleep in the sweatshirt.
Yeah.
You know. I'm an afternoon showerer usually, so.
Yeah, same.
Which I know is weird, but I usually exercise early afternoon, so.
It's not weird.
Whatever. Everybody's got their own schedules.
I usually sleep in whatever I wore on the top, and then I just put on pajama bottoms.
Yeah. Unless it's like some fancy outfit, but.
Well, yeah, of course.
You know.
Yeah.
But yeah, we wore the same sweatshirt, which was hilarious.
It's back to the breakfast club because with COVID we weren't having breakfast together, so you were on your own.
I know.
What'd you eat?
I was doing oatmeal. I also did have 1 box of just folded egg.
Oh, okay.
So I blasted through that.
Uh-huh.
Yesterday I did have your egg because I had some from Winter Baby the other day.
Right.
But yeah, mostly like, actually I was doing like, sometimes before I had the egg I would do like toast for breakfast and then oatmeal for lunch because I was just like, I don't know. It was all over the place.
Who are you?
But it all...
Oh, because you probably didn't have leftovers.
Yeah, so I was like, oh, I'll just have oatmeal for lunch.
Oh. Okay, gross.
Whatever. It tasted good.
All right.
I had a bunch of fresh fruit, so I wanted to work with that.
Yeah, we're about to have a proper breakfast. I'm hopefully this week doing a total fridge renovation.
Oh.
I'm going to get rid of a lot of the processed foods, probably by eating most of them. Throwing out things that have names. And I actually, Lammy.
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 What are you doing? Come here. Come get some playtime.
She said, I was just checking the plant to see if it needed water. But I just made a batch of smashed cucumber salad.
Oh, sounds delish.
Yeah, I tasted a little bit of it. It was really good. I'm going to be eating more 50-50 plate. I'm tired of Noom. Sorry, Noom, but like writing down everything you eat after 6 months is not sustainable anymore. I just don't want to do it anymore. It's like messing with my head. So I'm just gonna go with the whole food for a while or forever. I don't know. It seems like that's where it's at.
Yeah.
It's just so frustrating, and I have been seeing a lot of research that says that being overweight is genetic, and it's really tough to beat. So that's depressing.
Sorry.
It's passed down in your genes, so fun. I could totally see that. And it's not just like, oh, your parents ate a certain way, so you eat a certain way. I don't eat anything like my parents ate.
No.
So, yeah. Plus it's a combination of I'm old and my metabolism is slowed down and a whole bunch of stuff. But I really hope they figure it out. I'm not opposed to Ozempic or anything like that. If you need it, if you want it, go for it. It's not cheating. It's, you know what I mean? It's like if you had a problem where you were sick and you took medicine. You're not being a loser for taking medicine.
No.
So like, do what you want. Do what you feel comfortable with. I don't know why this took a turn. But I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. Yeah, cucumber salad. What do you think?
That's good.
Yeah, I bought 5 cucumbers.
I like that sesame.
I know, right?
Mmm.
It's light.
Yummy.
That would be good with a bowl of noodles or something.
Mmm. It would.
So we got leftovers from the party.
Yum, yum, yum.
Party all the time, party all the time, party all the time.
I can't do that. Would be so tired.
I can barely handle the one party. Bubby, do you need more liquids over there? He just puked on the floor. And we were trying like crazy to figure out what it was. And I think we finally figured it out, that he went in the litter box and stole some jewels. So I moved the litter box back upstairs because it was down here for a while. He can't be trusted.
He's okay though.
Oh, I put his water in his regular dish.
Oh.
Stupid.
Mom, what are you doing?
I don't know anymore. I'm confused. I saw that. He tried to trip you.
I was busting my A. Delicious leftovers.
Can you tell we're light on the footage?
Oh. It was a very, very busy weekend.
It was a very busy weekend.
But
He
now,
said, oh, fresh water.
yes, we're getting back to normal a bit, which is good.
Yes, absolutely.
Very much looking forward to that.
I haven't even crocheted one full thing today.
It happens.
I mean, not even a $5 loaf cap.
A mini loaf.
A mini loaf.
Well, we had a lot to do this morning, like getting our applications in for events and things like that, paying our sales tax, so we had like paperwork type stuff to do, and now the rest of the afternoon I think we can kind of just crochet.
We paid our tax.
Crochet. Yeah, so
That's right.
should be a good rest of the day.
It should be a good rest of the day. And I think we're having tofu. Well, you're not having it. You're having it for lunch tomorrow. But we're having tofu tonight. I think we're going to make some more of this cucumber salad to go with the stir fry.
That'd be good.
I think so too. It'd
Very
be
good.
nice and refreshing because it is
Yeah.
in the 60s today.
Oh, it was so nice. I took Bowie out for another walk this afternoon,
Mm-hmm.
and we were both just like,
It's beautiful
it
out.
felt so good.
It's beautiful out. I felt like a jerk wearing my boots out, but they're not like winter boots. They're like 3/4 season boots. Every season except summer. Did you have a good day today?
Yes.
Yeah, you love being back at program. Lammy, the gang's all here.
Yeah.
She said, stay out of my box, dummy.
Oh. Not a buffet, it's a spaceship.
That's right.
Yes.
Sending it off to space. Oh, hi.
The spot.
Sean is,
Doing his spot show.
There are no lions.
remember when Sean used to watch the Spot on Drugs?
Yeah. I think he still does sometimes.
Sometimes. It was just a Spot video that was slowed down. But, like, they did other stuff to it, too. It was really sad.
Yeah, I didn't like that one.
No.
Not my favorite.
It was funny before I realized what it was. And then when we realized what it was like, oh.
Yeah.
Anyway. It's the end, my friend. It's the end of the show. For today. For this first part of the week. So we have actually 2 birthday shout outs.
Ooh, who you with?
Good morning.
One is today. And you know who you are. Because it's none other than Jamie Barnes.
Jamie, happy birthday.
Jamie Barnes is turning 54.
Oh my goodness.
Along with John Hamm. She's
Oh.
birthday twins with John Hamm.
Fun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jamie and John. As if.
Did you know that John Hamm watches a lot of Bravo?
Hello.
No.
He was on I was gonna say What We Do in the Shadows. He was on Watch What Happens Live a few weeks ago.
I
was
saw
watching
that.
it, and he
Yes,
had
they are.
all these takes on all these different shows.
I saw a part of it. I didn't see the whole
Yeah,
episode.
I think his wife watches, so he watches with her.
Oh, how nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
How lucky for her.
Tigers.
And him.
Questions.
Then we have another birthday shout out on Wednesday, and this is for an OG, one of the Oest of the G's. Tara Pittman.
Tara, happy birthday!
I suspect that Tara is turning 39 for the first time.
It's a big year.
Yes. Happy birthday, Tara.
Yes, hope you enjoy.
Hope you two are living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness. Wow, we got some olds and not so olds in today's.
No.
All right, they're both not that old. You're off the hook. All right.
What are you saying?
I don't know. I don't know, but there's no shame in being old.
Yeah, but I wouldn't say 50s is like old.
Okay. Well, I'm not 50s anymore. I'm 60s. So I know I'm old.
Just because you feel old.
I mean, it's facts. Facts are facts. It's like the cheese tax. When the fridge door opens, the puppies come a running.
Oh, he certainly does. He loves his cheese.
That's right. He knows when it's time to pay the cheese tax.
Yeah.
All right.
He's collecting.
What?
He's collecting.
Yes. And we're paying. We're always paying that cheese tax. It's almost as bad as regular taxes. Anyway, I'm making these baldy bean cats right now. Who doesn't love a purple cat? Purple is like one of, well, purple and pink are like the only fantasy colors I will do of a cat. Well, that's not true. I'll do blue. Blue cat. But yeah, we got a lot of work to do.
We got a lot done today, though.
What did I play
Did we? I didn't get a lot of crocheting done.
Well, I mean, we got like other stuff done that we needed to.
We put in our applications, we paid some bills, we did taxes, we did a little bit of organizing. Well, I did anyway. You didn't do anything of that.
That's more of like a tomorrow thing for me.
For you. Yeah, I gotta do another laundry tonight before you show up with all of the clothes in the world to wash.
No, tomorrow's probably just gonna be like one load because I did my laundry on Friday. I had the gigantic laundry on Friday
Okay.
after not being over here.
Right.
But I don't want to fall behind on my schedule, so I'm just gonna do what I have tomorrow.
Yeah, well, you should go back to your regular day.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I gotta get at least one more batch of laundry done. I don't even think I put the one in the dryer that I washed this morning. Hope it's not rancid. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Freshen them up. Freshen them up. All right, well, I think we've wasted enough of your time. Could we waste some more? Just kidding. Yeah, we probably could. But it's Monday night. And I'm feeling like I need a nap. After we had lunch, I'm not going to lie, I was dozing.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
Did you see me go like this?
No.
Because I definitely did several times.
I don't blame you.
It's been a long weekend. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry the lighting's really weird right now. Sorry.
Light out, yay!
I know. When Daddy Mark came in, I was like, oh, it's too early for Daddy Mark to come in, but it wasn't. Because I went by the light instead of the clock. But he's
The clock in
home.
my car is right again.
Oh, really? I had to change all my clocks. The one in the kitchen is right again after being wrong for so long. That's what happens when you got a broken clock.
Mine wasn't broken, I just never changed
You were
it.
lazy. Guilty. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. I guess we'll be back tomorrow. Well, you won't see it tomorrow. You'll see it on Friday. But we will be back with a recipe, oh Lord, on Wednesday. Which means I got to come up with the recipe tomorrow.
Figure it out.
Maybe I should do the recipe for the cucumber salad.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah, right? Why don't I do that?
See that?
Yeah, why not? So that's probably going to be the recipe on Wednesday. I know you're going to love it because everyone does.
It's critically acclaimed.
It is critically acclaimed. And it's pretty popular. Like, I think it's like a TikTok thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you on Wednesday. And until then, much love.